how to take text behind object in PowerPoint animation. So if you want to put text behind your object in your PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PowerPoint application. After that, go with a new blank presentation. Now, once you're on this blank presentation, you need to go and insert an image. Go with insert and go with pictures. Now, once you inserted pictures, make a duplicate of this image by pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Now, once you have the duplicate, you need to go with the picture format section and click on remove background, which is here. Now, mark the area that you would like to keep. Like, for example, I want to keep this much. You can click on mark the areas to keep or mark the areas to remove. And once you're done with the changes, you need to just click on keep changes like this. Now, go and crop the image. You can right click on it and go with crop and crop the image. Now, zoom out this and create a text box. Once you go with insert, you will have the text box right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will find the text box right here. Just type in something. And once you've inserted something, or once you've typed in your text, now right click on the text box and then go with format shape and add some shadows if you want. You can resize it, go with size, position. Once you're done with everything, you can adjust your text and then right click on your text and click on send it back. Once you adjust it from the back to the front, you will get this kind of interface. Now, once you get this kind of interface, you need to go with the top left, right click on it, create a duplicate slide, and drag the text box upwards. Now go with transitions, which is on the top, and then click on morph. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to take text behind the object in PowerPoint animation. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.